For a DUI investigation,
For
man.
what?
For a DUI investigation.
But why was I involved when I was behind the cars that crashed?
Because with my interaction with you, made me feel like you might be under impairment.
What? I didn't know it was nothing but emotions. I know my rights. I want my son here to witness it.
On the evening of July 29th, 2024, a Florida deputy contacted a driver stopped near a traffic crash. Within moments, she declared she knew her rights and refused to listen until her son arrived to witness the encounter. That belief is legally incorrect, and it drives every mistake that follows in this stop.
Did you see any of this?
I've seen the one dude come up, and I've been sitting here for a minute.
Can you hang up the phone?
It's my son.
Okay.
That's who I was going to meet. So
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from right over here by Winn-Dixie.
Do you have your ID or anything on you?
Yes, sir, I do. Can you come up here, please?
Your son doesn't need to come up here.
Well, I mean, apparently he does because I'm involved in something that I didn't even know happened.
Are you involved?
No. I was sitting here waiting for the light to turn green.
Have you been drinking at all, ma'am?
No.
You hadn't had a single drink?
No, sir. Well,
It's my son's.
Is that what y'all are celebrating?
Sir? Sir.
So you didn't go to Winn-Dixie?
Not in the actual Winn-Dixie store. I went to the liquor store next door.
Did you buy some?
Yeah, like a couple hours ago.
Any way we can get her out the roadway?
Which one?
This one.
Never.
Just traffic reasons. Is there a way I can get her out of the street?
James is fixing to be here.
She's no condition to drive.
Right.
Can you please come up here?
Hey, ma'am.
Yes,
Listen,
sir.
can you get off the phone for me?
That's my son.
Okay. Can you get off the
That's
phone?
my son.
Okay. Can you get off the phone for me and step out?
All right, well, hurry up. What do you want me to do?
Can you come out and step towards my vehicle for me, please?
All right, so what do I need to do with my
Just
car?
keep it in park.
It's in park.
Okay, then let's go.
Okay.
Step back here with me.
Step where?
Just back here. Just follow me. All right, right now you're being detained
For what?
for a DUI investigation
Why?
because you told me you were drinking.
No, I didn't.
Listen, this is all we're going to do. We're going to do this. We're going to do the exercises. Good on the exercises, you go home. That's simple.
It's my...
Okay. I understand that. You told me that.
No, you don't understand that.
I do, ma'am. But right now, do you mind doing a series of exercises?
I'm here.
Is that okay?
What do you need me to do? I want to wait for my son to get here.
Well, we're not waiting.
So, no, I want my son to be here to witness this.
Ma'am, listen.
No.
Are you okay with doing exercises?
No, not until my son gets here to witness this.
We'll put her in the car and we can wait.
77.
So we're going to go back here and sit back in this car, okay?
Right. Do you have any?
Well, as soon as my son shows up, I want to be let out this car.
Yes,
because
ma'am.
I cannot be contained.
No problem. No problem. Do you have anything that any knives?
You wanna
anything
search
on
me?
you? Can you?
I'm going to pat you down, okay? Do you guys
Go for it.
Poke, stab, or harm me?
I ain't got on me.
Okay. Is this your vape right here?
Probably. I don't know. Yep.
Okay. You'll take that.
I'm a daycare teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
If you could just sit right there for me.
Including me in something that I had nothing to do with.
No, ma'am.
Absolutely. Yes, you are.
Not the crash. But
Then why are you questioning me and pulling me over?
I didn't pull you over. You're stopped at the crash, ma'am.
Well, I had no choice. Where was I going to go? So tell me, why did you detain me when I had nothing to do with that? Well, I was behind them. Give me the answer. Or else I'm calling my lawyer when I get home. You arrest me on bull.
You are not arrested, ma'am. You are detained.
Why am I detained, though? You can't give me an answer for that.
For a DUI investigation,
For
ma'am.
what?
For a DUI investigation.
But why was I involved when I was behind the cars that crashed?
Because with my interaction with you, made me feel like you might be under impairment.
What?
Call for consent rotation momentarily.
You want to talk to me after you done detained me when all I was doing was picking out food for my son's birthday.
Hey, okay. Let's try to calm down, okay?
No, I'm not going to calm down because you know what? It gets between you and my ex-husband is why I'm in this situation.
Listen, ma'am.
No,
you're
I'm not going to listen.
You're not under arrest.
Why am I in your back of your cop car then?
Because I believe you might be under the influence of something.
I ain't under the influence of nothing but emotions.
You told me you were drinking.
I'm a daycare worker. Do you see my shirt?
It's Columbia.
It says early impression. It says teacher on the back. Which means I got off work hours ago.
It doesn't say
Which means I had... How long? Look at me.
It doesn't...
How long do you think it's going to last in my system?
Ma'am.
Do the math. No, do the math.
Your shirt says nothing about a daycare.
Yes. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Well, you want to see my Chuck stuff? I work for a daycare.
I believe you. I believe you work for a daycare.
I got an ex-husband that's looking for any reason to take my son away from me when he doesn't want him.
I'm sorry to hear
and
that.
My son is...
I'm sorry to hear that. But I want you to just listen real quick, okay?
No, I want you to let me the f*** out of here and let me go home.
All right, listen.
Because I ain't done nothing wrong.
Can you listen to me?
No.
I've been nice to you.
I want my son here before you say anything.
Okay, but this is for you.
But I want my son here before you read me anything. I want my son here.
Nothing in the 4th, 5th, or 6th Amendment gives a driver the right to summon a private witness before an investigation continues. Under Terry v. Ohio, an officer may detain a person briefly on reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. Here, the driver's own admission to consuming alcohol before driving supplied that suspicion the moment it left her mouth. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, a roadside DUI investigation is not custodial, and Miranda warnings are not yet required. That means the officer may keep asking questions, and any voluntary statement remains fully admissible against her at trial. Florida law does not compel a driver to perform standardized field sobriety exercises during a roadside stop. Refusal is not itself a crime, but under State v. Taylor, it is admissible as consciousness of guilt at trial. The post-arrest breath test is different, governed by Florida Statute 316.1932, the Implied Consent Law. A first refusal costs 12 months of driving privileges. A second refusal costs 18 months and becomes a separate misdemeanor. The added charge here is resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. That statute has two elements. The officer must be performing a lawful duty, and the defendant must obstruct that duty. State v. Whitfield confirmed that argument, or verbal protest, without more, cannot satisfy the obstruction element. What tips this case across that line is the physical refusal to place hands behind the back once the arrest was announced.
No, absolutely not. I want my son here to witness it.
77 reports.
So you need to call him and make him get here faster.
Listen, your son doesn't dictate my actions.
No, I want my son here to witness it.
Okay.
But
when your son gets here, he can get here.
Absolutely
But your son doesn't dictate my actions.
But I'm telling you right now, before you say anything else, I know my rights. I want my son here to witness it.
I'm going to tell you your rights, okay?
Nope, not until my son gets here.
Your son doesn't dictate my actions.
No, but I want him to...
He can witness.
I want him to witness it, so you need to wait.
No, I'm not waiting.
Well, you can wait, or you're going to repeat it.
No.
One way or another, you're going to repeat it, or you're
Stay seated.
No.
Stay seated. Listen.
No. You need to listen. I know my rights.
Okay.
I'm born and raised here. I know my rights. My son is either going to witness what you're going to say, or you're not going to say shit to me.
Where is your son?
He's on his way.
Where's your son?
My son is coming from Worthington Drive.
How far away is that?
2.4 miles away.
Does he know that you were in the Baptist primary parking lot?
Why don't you tell him that? Because you were on the phone. You were right in my ear when I was talking to him, and you told me to hang up the phone.
Okay. Do you have your phone on you still?
Really? You arrested me. Do I look like I have a phone on me?
I didn't arrest you. You're not arrested.
All right, well, you need to go back to my truck and get my phone and call my son, because you're not going to reach until he gets here.
Can you step up?
Absolutely. Because you can either wait till my son gets here, or you ain't doing a thing. Because it's going to be recorded. Because I ain't done shit wrong.
You are. It's recording right here.
Yeah, I don't give a f. I grew up I was raised and born in this town. Okay. So I don't give a shit. You ain't going to do a damn thing to me until my son gets here to either once witness it or two record it. So you ain't gonna do shit to me.
It's being recorded.
Well, that's good.
So your son doesn't have to worry
I'm waiting
about
till my
recording.
son gets here.
Does your son know where he's going?
Absolutely.
Where is he at if he was 2 miles away?
He was at Page Hill.
Okay.
So he's probably having to explain to my mother
Listen.
why he's having to come up here.
Listen, I'm going to read you your rights.
No, you're not. Not
You have
till
the
my
right
son
to
gets
remain
here.
silent.
No.
Anything you
No.
say can and
No.
will be used against you in the court
I
of law.
refuse, and that's my right to refuse because I don't have my son here to record it.
All right, are you going to perform field sobriety exercises, or
Who are you?
you going to?
Who are you? Who are you?
You're not going to talk to me like that.
Who
First
the
of all.
are you?
Okay,
You
you're
need to
about
calm
get
down.
placed in handcuffs right now.
What
You're about
you
to
gonna
get
do?
you're about to get arrested for
You're
resisting.
going to place me
Go
in the
ahead.
handcuffs anyway.
Go ahead and
So
put
I
your
don't
hands behind your back.
Nope.
Put your hands
Nope.
behind your back.
Nope.
You're gonna get
Stop.
arrested
You're
for
gonna get
You're
resisting.
not leaving. You're not
gonna get
removing
arrested
me.
for resisting. Stop.
Yeah, I ain't
Stop.
resist shit.
You are resisting. You're pulling
No,
away.
I haven't. All I
pulling
said
away.
was you were gonna wait till my son
No,
got
your son
here.
doesn't dictate our actions.
Well, you know what? My mom knows Sheriff Sleeper.
I don't
And I
care who your
promise
mama
you-
knows. I promise you, I don't
Well,
care.
I don't know who your mama knows or who she sleeps with. But I promise you,
Nobody's talking about nobody's mama but you.
you ain't gonna arrest
Come
me
back
for.
here.
You ain't
Come
got nothing to believe me
Come back.
on. What are you arresting me on?
Come on.
Nope, hold on, nope. I know my rights. What are you arresting
You're
me
about to
on?
get a
Resisting.
resisting charge. Keep going.
No.
Sit down.
What she? No,
Sit down.
absolutely not.
Sit down.
No, you're gonna tell me what you're arresting me for.
Okay, stay right here.
Yeah. You're getting arrested
What are
for
you arresting me for?
Resisting. You're going to
No,
you're
what's
going to
the
jail for
original?
resisting.
No, what's
You're
the
going to jail for
original charge?
resisting.
No,
You're
you
going to jail
need to
for
give me a reason for the original charge.
Sit in.
Come on.
Sit in. Come on.
Now, the grades. The contact deputy earns a B- for a lawful investigation with weak articulation of impairment cues on record. The cover officer earns a C+ for controlled physical technique but avoidable verbal escalation just before the handcuffing. The driver earns a C-, her rights were real, but her strategy of demanding a family witness had no legal foundation whatsoever. The agency earns a B for functioning equipment, complete footage, and restraint on force despite the subject's rising volatility. 3 lessons. First, invoking rights means staying silent and asking for counsel, not negotiating conditions with the officer. Second, refusing field exercises may be wise, but refusing the post-arrest breath test costs your license by operation of law. Third, once an arrest is announced, physical compliance protects you. Resistance converts one defensible charge into 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.